Hello viewers, this uh, demonstration belongs to the dairy farm system from code to plus for the development world or client. Let's start from login page user, and this is the shade information which shade we are logging. We log into the shade number one, and we have the information about the setups, shade information, account information, animal information, detailed animal information we will see, raw material and product units, raw material, supplier and customer information. In another video, we will start from transitions, and later on, we will see the expense form and the medicine information, assets, and in last, we will see the employer information. So let's start from the setups. Setup, we start the shade information. We have five shade right now, and we create one more shade in any time, and we can use all the data from belong to that shade will be separated from other shade. And if we want to any inactive any shade, we just any inactive any status, yes or no. This shade will be active or inactive. After shade information, we will go to the accounts information. We have two type of accounts: income accounts and expense accounts, and some customer accounts. Here, customer account and the supplier account, which is freeze, and there's no available by user because it's maintained by the ledger. Through the ledger, it is automatically created when the supplier is created. Automatically supply account and supply ledger will be created. All other accounts will be managed by the management and user also. Income account and expense accounts, this is the account header, and this is the account detail which transaction will be held on account detail information. After account creation, we will go to the animal information. There are we have categorized, we have three groups. One is header group of animal which is called the group, and we have the information, for example, of animals. We can insert any new group here of any animal, and any category belong to the any group. For example, this we can see there's a camel, male camel, female camel, and we have chicken, hen, cock. This is a category of animal. After that, we have information, the animal information. Right now, we have just only discussed on uh, the animal which give us milk only, and we will see the animal information, and we have a detailed animal information. Also, we see this is milk position. No, this is the animal available, and these animals are belong to the which they give us milk. We just see already built in animal. There's a tag number C164, and C means cow. Maybe they can be say serial number description. We can give here. We can give any group, and when cow and it is active, it give milk us also. It is no, it's not child. We have purchased from ms forms, and the in which date we have purchased. It is also mentioned. We can save their picture also, and we can also manage their history for description, for example, pregnancy, position, and if give birth also delivery, give the delivery, or the child was scratch, her baby was scratch, in which date was created, and the detailed information belong to that animal we can save here. After that animal, we have the information of material, product information. We can insert, uh, create new product also. I show you. For example, milk, egg, chicken, meat, and any other product we can create it here. Right now we are working only on milk, and we will set on other product also. And there is a unit information. This is application is a multi-unit base. For example, primary unit and secondary unit also. For example, this is the uh, liters in kg, and for example, one belong to the 40 kg. This is parent and child unit, primary and secondary unit concept here. After that, we have the raw material information. Raw material will be raw material name, their description, primary unit in kg. It is daily basis use, yes or no, and secondary unit conversion rate. If we conversion rate is 4, it means one bag. When we talk about the one bag, it user define here 4. It 4 depend upon the 4 kg. So this is the raw material information, and after raw material information, we go to the supplier information, supply creation, and customer creation. This is supplier information, supplier names, contact person, their contact number, it is active or not. This supplier is also customer or not. If we said this customer, that we mention any supplier customer here. If we customer is not, this is only supplier, then we don't need to active this flag. And same as well as the supplier customer supplier information, customer information, little bit different from the supplier. So this is the customer name, description, contact person, contact number, and on daily basis it get milk or not, on which time, and evening time he purchase from milk from us, evening time or all time. There are three times we have. So, and what is the rate we give the milk of per liter, and approximately how many liters he purchased on daily basis, and on morning time how many milk he purchased, and evening time we mention here. And I think we uh, complete the setup information. Thank you.